Greetings, travel enthusiasts. Welcome to your favorite channel, Travel and Tour. Here we journey across the globe, unearthing breathtaking destinations and hidden gems alike. Today, we take you on a virtual tour of the charming town of Göcek in Mugla, Turkey. Nestled in the southwestern coast of Turkey, Göcek is a true gem, waiting to be discovered. This tranquil paradise is home to 6 spectacular marinas, each offering a unique perspective of the Aegean Sea. A boat ride away, the 12 islands beckon, each one a testament to nature's grandeur. Stroll along the sun-kissed beaches, where the turquoise waters meet the golden sands and experience serenity like never before. But Göcek is not just about the sea, it's also a gateway to a rich past. The Lycian rock tombs, a marvel of ancient architecture, tell tales of a bygone era. The ruins of Kira, Lydia, and Pydnai bear witness to civilizations that once thrived here. Every corner of Göcek is a perfect blend of natural beauty and history, a seamless fusion of the old and the new. Indeed, Göcek promises an unforgettable experience for every traveler. But Göcek isn't just about history and landmarks. It's a canvas where nature paints its most vibrant hues. Crystal clear waters that mirror the sky, lush forests that whisper tales of the wind, and breathtaking views of the Aegean Sea that hold your gaze. It's a place where exotic species of birds sing their own symphonies and flowers bloom, wearing the town's charm like a crown. Every nook and cranny, every leaf and pebble, every ripple in the water, every corner of Göcek is a testament to nature's splendor. Göcek Muğla, a paradise that combines history, adventure, and natural beauty. A gem where explorers, history buffs, and nature lovers alike find their sanctuary. To explore more stunning destinations, don't forget to subscribe to Travel and Tour. Until our next adventure, happy travels!